Have you ever waited so long at a restaurant that your anticipation turns into impatience and then frustration? Your policyholders may feel the same way when claims take too long to be settled. These 4 traps may be wasting valuable time and make policyholders unhappy. Delays start immediately and can compound if you wait to contact insureds to get claim details and line up a damage assessment. And if phone calls and emails aren't the best way to maintain communication, use other methods such as text or phone apps so your policyholders can check claim progress at their convenience. We've all done it, taken shortcuts to get more done and off our to-do list faster. Then you realize you missed a step or gotten inaccurate information. This not only wastes time, it could cost the carrier and policyholder money. Worse, it risks the claim being reopened. To avoid that, carriers should establish a consistent logical path for adjusters to follow every time to validate data and complete assessments. It may seem like it takes longer, but it reduces the risk of errors and inaccurate settlements. You may have a process you follow, but is it efficient and effective? It's common to find redundancy or confusion, usually because of outdated technology and inefficient reporting methods. Processes should be reviewed frequently and updated based on changing needs and resources. You likely need help from an outside source for damage assessments. Selecting the wrong assessment partner could slow the process to a trickle or cost even more time if they take too long or they don't give you the right information. With HVACi, you don't have to worry about these things. Many of the nation's top property insurance carriers trust us to provide objective and accurate damage assessments through innovative processes that keep everyone in the loop. Within a few business days, you'll have an accurate description of the cause of loss, scope of damage, and the best repair and replacement next steps. You shouldn't be left waiting, and neither should your policyholder.